Outre come through every day, all day. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this unit, honestly. This is absolutely lazy girl approved, but still getting all the looks that you want to be getting.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thanks so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Selene and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, it is a singular left side part. With this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band, which I really don't feel like it's doing much for me. That's another reason why I feel like if you have a bigger size head, this one could be for you. This is not an adjustable elastic band, it's just a standard elastic band. So I think if your head is on a larger size, you could definitely take advantage of that. It does come pre-plucked, it does come with baby hairs, so let me just come and show you guys what the hairline's looking like. So this unit is 22 inches. It's coming right above my boobs, and I am 5'3" for reference. The texture on this one is definitely giving Yaki vibes. If you were a fan of the Julienne unit, either the original Julienne or the Julienne 24, I definitely would think that you guys are going to be a fan of this one. The only difference is this one, you just get your singular defined parting space, and the other Juliennes, you do get that 13x6 parting space, so that is just going to be the major difference. This was definitely minimal work to get this look going. Minimal work aside from putting the concealer and brushing it into place, y'all. You do have that safe up to 400 degrees if you want to go ahead and add heat. I didn't have to add heat to this one. I just went in with my bristle brush to kind of get it to lay down the way that I wanted it to. The quality and density of the hair is pretty fantastic, honestly. The density on it is about 150%, give or take. As you can see, these curls are giving everything that they should be giving. As far as the cap size is concerned, it is coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. There was a little bit of stretch to the cap, so I think if your head is a little bit bigger than mine, you should be able to get away with it. My head is 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference for reference, and it's fitting my head wonderfully. Overall quality of the hair is feeling really good. Like I said, texture is yaki. I'm not feeling anything with the tracks. Cap construction feels really great. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. If y'all know me, y'all know it's very rare where I have something bad to say about an Outre unit, and once again, I have nothing bad to say about this unit. Like, Outre just does what it should be doing each and every time. They listen to us, they take the notes, and they literally just give us what it is we're looking for. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this unit, honestly. Like, Outre, each and every time, you just excel and keep it like step above my standards. So nothing but good things to say about this unit. My pros on this unit are the look. the look, honey, the texture, the quality of the hair, the cap construction, the baby hairs, the parting space, the lace. I could go on and on, like, and I feel like my favorite part about this unit, like I always go for frontals just because I want that option for versatility. But my favorite part about this unit is because this lace is so perfect and already defined. It's such minimal work. Like you could literally throw this on, swoop it. You don't even gotta swoop your baby hairs if you don't want to swoop your baby hairs because the hairline is a yes. Like this is absolutely lazy girl approved, but still getting all the looks that you want to be getting. Like Outre, I don't even gotta give you notes because you take all the notes. So, I mean, honestly, I feel like this is definitely one I would pick up again. It's nothing different. Just like I said, it's similar to previous units that they released, like the Outre Julienne. But in my opinion, I don't even care. Like, because this is the style that I'm looking for when I look for a unit. And I feel like they came with it. And even though I just have that singular defined parting space, it doesn't matter to me because it's good to go out of the box. Like, which I've been noticing is getting harder and harder to find in synthetic units lately. But like Outre just found the formula, they stuck to the formula, they listened to us, they give us what we're needing. Like Outre, keep doing it, keep it coming, because each and every time I will always rock with Outre. So that's pretty much all I would say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.